Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Scientists create magic skin that self heals 90% of cuts in 4 hours, fully repairs wounds in 24 hours. Diesel punk is a style that recreates a futuristic world from the perspective of the 1920s. Japanese billionaire builds his own $200 million racetrack just to race with his wife and kids. Sania Zehra, a 20-year-old from Kashmir, earns 2 lakh monthly from beekeeping and selling organic honey. China discovers massive thorium composite can endlessly power the country and ships for 60,000 years. This is the inside of a sea turtle's mouth consisting of anti-barfing spikes. The spikes trap the food once they vomit all the water. Living in hot cities speeds up aging compared to cooler ones. Body ages faster under heat stress study. Iceland is powered by almost 100% renewable energy and it even has heated sidewalks to melt ice in winters. Adulting is realizing all you need is home, stable income and a peaceful partner. Adorable puffins, also known as black and white comedians, are stealing hearts in Iceland, also called clowns of the sea. Puffins just chill and catch fishes in the evening. Cultural creativity. About 40% of corporate employees in India are at high risk for having poor mental health. Indonesia was the first Asian country to qualify for the FIFA World Cup. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Firefighter in Peru. A strong woman is a woman determined to do something others are determined not to be done. Behind the scenes of a Chinese streamer selling online shopping items. Happy sunset. New studies suggest that sharing moments of silence with your partner could actually be the sign of a healthy relationship. Cool street art. Baby crocodile discovered with a unique tail mutation that makes it look like it has a mermaid's tail. Geometric alignment. Korean broadcasting law prevents commercials to be run mid-show. Rather than having multiple short commercial break to be run throughout the course of a program, the entirety of the show is played continuously and is followed by a longer commercial break period. A different perspective. 1% in 4 is a super taster who experiences the sensation of tasting more intensely. Super tasters have a high density of taste cells on their tongue but are likely to have distaste for beer. Huge humpback whale breaching next to a fishing boat. Brazilian footballer Rivaldo grew up in poverty and suffered such malnourishment that it caused bow-leggedness and the loss of severe adult teeth. Coaches said he was physically too weak to succeed. Despite this, he went on to win the World Cup. A group of well-preserved wooden spears were unearthed at a German coal mine. They are between 380,000 and 400,000 years old, making them at least 75 into older than the pyramids of Egypt. These are the oldest wooden artifacts ever unearthed in Europe. Lobsters are not actually immortal, they show the effects of aging differently and after a certain age apparently lose the ability to mold their shells, resulting in death soon after. Their lifespans are 31 to 54 or so years for European lobsters. Decorator crabs decorate themselves by sticking plants and animals from their environment to their bodies. It mainly serves as a camouflage against predators but also makes them look fabulous. Listening to your favorite song before bed can help you sleep better, wake up easier, and enhance your mood for the upcoming day. A group of 15 monkeys escaped a research institute in Japan by using trees to catapult themselves over a 17 feet high electric fence one by one. However, the primates appeared unsure as to what to do with their newfound freedom. Share of total persons employed in factories. We are living in a matrix. A physicist suggests a reality is controlled by a master AI. What if your entire life was just a simulation? He theorizes that an advanced AI controls our reality. This AI could have been created by a future civilization. Some theories suggest it's for entertainment, letting people live different lives repeatedly. Others propose we are test subjects solving complex problems for our real world creators. If true, time inside the simulation could move slower, making life seem longer. Even tech leaders like Elon Musk believe we might be living in a simulated world. But if this is just a program, do we have free will or are we just following code? Thanks for watching.